Most learners study every day, but still don't improve. Are you making these mistakes too? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to NB English Studio. I'm Hira.
And I'm Alex.
Today, we're going to talk about why many English learners study every day, but still don't improve.
That's right. You may spend hours learning words, reading books, or watching English videos, but somehow your English doesn't feel stronger.
Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to many learners.
And the good news is, we can fix it.
In this lesson, we'll show you 6 common mistakes that stop you from improving and how to correct them.
Plus, we'll give you practice exercises so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
The first mistake is thinking in your own language and then translating into English.
For example, some learners say, I have 20 years, instead of saying, I am 20 years old.
Translation creates confusion and slows you down. To improve, try thinking directly in English.
Hira, last week I tried thinking in English, and it felt so strange I kept mixing words.
That's normal. It takes practice. Start with simple things. For example, when you see a chair, think, this is a chair. Repeat it slowly in your mind. Practice exercise. Repeat after us. I am happy.
She is reading a book.
They are going to school. Pause after each line for repetition.
See? Simple sentences are enough to start training your brain to think in English.
Mistake number 2 is memorizing only vocabulary without using it in sentences.
You may know 500 new words, but if you don't know how to use them, your English won't improve.
I tried memorizing 50 new words in a single day. The next day, I forgot most of them.
That's why context matters. Always practice words in sentences.
Practice exercise. Repeat after us. I eat an apple every morning.
She drinks tea in the evening.
They play football on Sunday. Pause to let viewers repeat each sentence slowly. Try creating your own sentences with 3 to 5 new words every day.
Mistake number 3 is ignoring listening and speaking. Some learners read English perfectly, but can't understand spoken English or speak naturally.
Last month, I could read a storybook easily, but when my friend spoke to me in English, I didn't understand everything.
That's why listening is just as important as reading, and speaking helps you remember what you learn.
Repeat after me. Can you help me with this problem? I'm learning English every day. My favorite subject is English.
Try recording yourself speaking, then listen carefully and repeat. Mistake number 4 is being afraid of making mistakes.
Many learners stay silent because they fear errors. But making mistakes is how you improve. Every mistake teaches you something new.
I told a joke in English once and mispronounced a word. Everyone laughed, but it helped me remember the correct pronunciation.
Exactly. Speak without fear. You learn faster that way.
Practice tip. Speak to yourself in English for 5 minutes every day. Don't worry about errors. Focus on communication. Mistake number 5 is skipping daily practice.
Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week.
I used to study English only on weekends. My progress was slow. But when I switched to 15 minutes daily,
I improved quickly.
Practice tip. Talk to yourself in English while cooking or walking. Describe what you are doing. I am cutting vegetables. I am drinking water.
Mistake number 6 is overcomplicating grammar.
Some learners focus only on grammar rules and forget communication.
Practice exercise. Repeat after us. I like pizza. I like pizza every Friday. I really like pizza every Friday with my friends.
See, start simple, then add details slowly.
Let's recap the 6 mistakes. Thinking in your native language, memorizing only vocabulary, ignoring speaking and listening, fear of mistakes, not practicing daily, overcomplicating grammar.
If you fix these, your English will improve faster than ever.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Take small steps every day. Enjoy the process.
Call to action. Repeat sentences out loud. Speak daily. Don't fear mistakes.
You can do it. Start today.
Great job! Now, listeners, it's your turn.
What did you do this morning?
Tell us in the comments using at least 3 past tense verbs.
We love reading your stories.
And don't forget to subscribe to NB English Studio.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye, respectable listeners.